Everybody, so today I want to show you guys my biggest problem I've had with a Zosi DVR. This is an 8-channel DVR, but I only have 4 channels. This Zosi DVR is not a wireless DVR, it is a hardline DVR. However, I have added a wireless card to it so that it could be wireless. But my biggest problem has been that I cannot get anything to back up. For instance, I will try this dongle right here. Now we'll plug it in. One second, I'm trying to remember exactly how. Yep, here we go. For instance, I will search for that file right there. I'll press back up. And it cannot seem to ever find a device. I have tried multiple different devices, whether it be in these small little flash devices along with optical portable hard drives. I cannot seem to make anything work or have it recognize anything. If you know any type of formatting that needs to be done or anything like that, let me know, but I can't get the Zosi to recognize anything. Thanks.